Hey guys, welcome back to my small engine repair channel. Today I want to show you a tool set that every mechanic should have in his toolbox. And what it is the Starrett drive pin punch set number S248. Now I've been using these in my shop for many years. You can buy it as a set on Amazon or any other store online. I only paid $50 Canadian plus tax. Again, here's the part number for it. They are made in the US. There are 5 punches in this set. And by the way, I am not sponsored today in any way, shape, or form. And here are some older Starrett punches that I have here. I do beat the hell out of them. They get a beating in the shop here, so sometimes I do end up breaking them, but that is my own fault. And you can see the mushrooming at the top here. That's from heavy use. But I'm very happy with them. And that's why when I bought another set, I wanted to make a video review, guys, because they are a definite must-have in your toolbox. So you get 5 punches in the set. I'll show you all the sizes here. The smallest one in the set is 1/8, then 3/16, 1/4 inch, 5/16, and 3/8, which are the most common sizes you will use in a small engine shop. Now you don't have to buy the whole set, you can buy them individually. Here are the part numbers on each punch. However, it is a lot more economical if you buy the whole set. In the past, I've paid up to 20 bucks for one punch, and I got this whole set here for 50 bucks Canadian plus tax. So just do the math and you'll see it's way better just to buy the kit. And if you buy it on Amazon, you'll get free shipping as well. So I'll take them out of the wrappers just to give you an up-close look. And here's the smaller one, the 1/8. And you can see the size is engraved right in the punch. And they feel of good quality in your hands. They're nice and solid, they're not brittle. And here's the bigger one, it's the 3/8. Again, it's stamped on the punch here. And it's very well knurled here, you have a good grip. And like I said earlier, I've been using these for years. And when you try to punch out pins with a good punch, you do notice the difference between cheap ones. In my opinion, it's better to spend a bit more money and get quality tools that will last. Not only do they last, but it makes the job a lot easier and more professional. Now I'll just do a quick demo here, taking out this roll pin. Make sure you wear safety glasses when you use these punches. So when I take out pins that are protruding like that, I start off with a bigger punch right up to the part here. The reason for that is if I use the exact same sized punch here, it's probably going to pop off. So I'll use my 3/8 punch here, right up until I'm at the shaft. And I'll use my 1/8 punch. And here's the pin. And I'll just reinstall it using the hammer here. So just a quick demo, guys, on how to remove a small pin. I'm going to show you how to take out the inner pin on a Tecumseh snowblower recoil. And to be exact, I'm talking about the pin right here. If you're going to remove that pin, make sure that this is sitting on something hard and make sure there's a gap for the pin to go through. And I'll use the 3/8 punch. It's the biggest one in the set. And now when you pull it out, the whole inside of the recoil will come off. And this is the pin I'm talking about. If you've been wondering how to remove these, this is exactly how you do it, just the way I showed you. And again, it's important to have the proper punch to do this. My final opinion on these punches, guys, is I definitely recommend them. You won't regret buying them. And you're going to notice they are good quality. They are made in the USA. And it's much better to buy the entire set. It's going to be a lot cheaper that way. And here's another close look at them. And there is a link in the description to where you can read all about these punches and the specs. So thanks again for watching. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I put out a new video every week. Also make sure you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and have a great day.